PayPal is making a major investment in its crypto strategy, introducing its own stablecoin.
Interesting. It's called PYUSD. It's set to launch Monday. And just for a bit of context here, a stablecoin is a type of cryptocurrency that has its value tied to another commodity, financial instrument, or currency. In this case, it's the US dollar. So that means PayPal-USD trades at a 1-to-1 ratio with the dollar.
Hannah Lang joins us now for more on the PayPal stablecoin. She's a financial technology correspondent at Reuters. So, Hannah, first of all, just why is PayPal doing this? Why is it entering the cryptocurrency market now?
Sure. So thanks for having me. PayPal actually kind of has already been in the cryptocurrency space. It offers its users the ability to buy, sell, trade a few different assets. But this is a market step forward in terms of its expansion of its cryptocurrency offerings. And this stablecoin, PayPal USD or PYUSD, is going to be available to send to people in the PayPal ecosystem. And is also just a major expansion of PayPal's crypto offerings here. It's a good strategy. It's backed by dollar deposits, U.S. Treasuries. So PayPal has the ability to kind of earn interest on that, separate from any trading activity that might happen within this stablecoin offering as well.
Okay, so it's good for PayPal. I wonder the benefits for customers, though. Sometimes I worry when things are too easy, because you can have a PayPal app. You should consider these things carefully before you jump in. What should people know before putting their money into stablecoin? And what makes a PayPal dollar, USD coin, different from an actual dollar, like the tax implications, for example?
Sure. So that's a great question. So as far as the tax implications, a stablecoin, unlike just sending a normal PayPal or Venmo transfer, is considered a taxable event. So if you transact, you will have to fill out a 1099. It also, I think people should be aware that as of right now, PayPal USD is not available to trade on any third-party exchanges like Coinbase or Binance, and will only be available right now on the PayPal app. Unfortunately, a lot of scammers have taken advantage of the excitement around this, and there are around, I think last I saw, 60 fake tokens. So, that's something that people should really be aware of, that to make sure they're investing in the correct and accurate product. As far as, differences people might see, it's probably not going to be too different from just sending a regular money transfer via Venmo or PayPal as one normally does. But it does present another option for consumers to be able to transact with this new product.
That's really interesting. Hannah Lang, thanks so much for walking us through this. We appreciate it.
Thank you.